Hello friends, welcome to your own channel Gramification. At the outset, I am really grateful to you all for supporting me from last 3 months. Hope your support, love will be with me forever. We are in the last phase of question tag and we were discussing about the subject case. So let us discuss rule number 5. If the subjects are no one, anyone, someone, everyone, everybody, nobody, somebody, then in question type, in place of subject, we have to use they. Means here one and body. Then question type they. Let us have few examples. Anyone can participate. In subject case, anyone. So it will become comma, can't they? Someone had done this, hadn't they? Everybody loves humor, doesn't they? Nobody has seen the God, have they? These are the case if there is one or body as the subject. Next rule says that if thing is there as the subject, then question will take it. Nothing, anything, everything, something. Question tag will be it. For example, nothing is special here. Is it? Anything can happen, can't it? Everything is fair in war and love, isn't it? So if thing is there, in that case, question tag will be it. Come to the next one. If the subject are like all of us, some of us, none of us, or most of us, if there is us, then in question tag we have to use we. Like all of us can go to cinema. In that case, can't we? None of us has seen the Taj Mahal, have we? Next, rule number 8 says that if there is you, all of you, some of you, either of you, then in question tag also it will be the same one, repeat one without change. Let us have examples. Either of you is guilty, aren't you? All of you can solve it, can't you? Next, come to rule number 9. In this, if the subject are like all of them, none of them, some of them, means them, if it is being used, then question tag we have to use they. For example, neither of them helped you, comma, did they? Some of them had read the book, haven't they? Next, come to dare and need. Dare or need is there as the helping verb in the sentence. Then in question tag, the same dare or need will be a repeated one. For example, he dare not go there, comma, dare he, we are using dare. I did not talk to him, need is there, so it will be repeated, need I. Next, come to rule number 11. In this, if the word dare or need is used as a main verb, then question tag will be suitable, anomalous, finite. For example, you don't need to go there, need. So here we are using do, so do you. I don't need to reply, comma, do I. They will need something, will they? So this two, rule number 10 and 11 are very, very important, whether it is being used as a main verb or being used as a helping verb. Accordingly, we have to use the question tag. This is the end of this video. Thank you very much for your patience watching. Thank you and have a very nice day.